This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea in the Wild Easy Guide. Start by sourcing clean water and building a small, safe fire in a cleared area. Use a metal pot or sturdy container. Bring 2 cups of water to a gentle boil, then remove from heat. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of leaves, cover, and steep for 3 to 5 minutes before sipping slowly and safely. Bring water to a full rolling boil to ensure safety, then reduce heat to maintain a gentle simmer. Place your measured tea leaves into the pot or a makeshift infuser, then pour hot water over them. Cover immediately to trap aromas and steep for 3 to 5 minutes depending on desired strength. Strain into your cup or let leaves settle, taste carefully, and add natural sweeteners if you have them on hand. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel and share with a friend. Quick recommendation. Musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It pairs great with outdoor playlists and hands-free timers for steeping tea. Check the description for the link and other deals, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's get back to the video. Pack familiar teas in labeled, waterproof pouches to avoid confusion with foraged plants. When experimenting with wild herbs, use a small sample and wait to check for adverse reactions. Steep in a clean container and let the tea cool to a comfortable drinking temperature before sipping. Remember to respect local flora, leave no trace when collecting, and always prioritize safe water and fire practices while enjoying your outdoor brew.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.